Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video is going to be a bit different. It's not actually development related, but since this is something that I'm actually passionate about, it kind of touches close to home. I actually want to speak on this issue. So recently there was a UGC creator who has the spotlight shined on them basically because they got caught stealing some assets from other designers, 3D modelers in the industry. The person in question is John Avia. Or John Avia _ RBX. They actually follow me on Twitter. Basically what happened was this person, Winter or Kiji Soft on Twitter, called this person out. They said this design is by Nell Nilliam with the model stolen from Syntavu's Sketchfab. So Nell Nilliam drew the concept art, so you guys can see here, and then Syntavu 3D modeled it, and John Avia stole it. You guys can see here's a comparison of both the models. As you guys can see, John's version just removed a couple limbs and then the particle effect at the bottom. But what really bugs me is somehow they're in the program and they have multiple items for sale when this is stolen. A lot of people did research into this, and that's not the first item that they've stolen either. They also found he has a coffee witch hat, and he actually took a 3D model of a coffee witch and he ripped the hat off of that model and he uploaded it to the catalog, and he actually has several sales on it. Another thing is one of his most famous concepts, the Wanderer backpack. He stole it from another Sketchfab model. It was a tortoise, and he ripped the shell off of it and then uploaded the backpack and all the accessories with it. So this guy's obviously a fraud, right? But it brings the question to the table, how do we combat this going forward? There's creators like me who've spent months trying to get into the program. I've done countless concepts, I've done videos, I've recorded me making them, time lapses, everything. I even have published work. I've done UGC for star creators, and I can't get into the program, but this random guy who steals models can get into the program. So my question is, what are the standards going forward? What requirements do you have to meet in order to get in? Do you have to record the process now? Do you have to document it? How do you determine whether or not these models are stolen? That's a flaw in the program that was overlooked, and it will be abused going forward if it's not taken care of early on, such as right now. So I want this to set an example going forward on what precautions we need to take in regards to this program. Well, that's all I have to say about this situation, guys. Hopefully this guy's removed from the program, and even hopefully further moderation action taken. Stealing content should not be taken lightly. There's a lot of hard work put into these models, and it's sad to see them abused, and this person even making profit off of them. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.